GIT workflow for Android apps. GIT workflow for Android apps. What is a GIT workflow for Android apps? A GIT workflow for Android apps is the structured way developers use GIT to manage Android project code safely and efficiently. It defines how features are developed, how bugs are fixed, how code is reviewed, how app versions are released. In simple words, GIT workflow equals how Android app code moves from idea means to Play Store. Why Android apps need a proper GIT workflow? Android apps usually have many screens, many features, frequent updates, multiple developers. Without a workflow, cross-mark code conflicts, cross-mark broken builds, cross-mark buggy releases, cross-mark hard debugging. With a workflow, check-mark stable app builds, check-mark safer updates, check-mark better teamwork, check-mark faster development. So workflow equals control plus collaboration plus quality. Typical branch structure for Android apps. Common branch setup. Main or master means production app. Develop means integration branch. Feature branches means new features. Release branches means prepare Play Store builds. Hotfix branches means urgent bug fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, login screen, feature, payment module, release, version 1.2. Hotfix, crash fix. Why? Protects production code, allows parallel development, supports Play Store releases. Feature branch workflow. Android. For each new feature, create branch from develop, build UI or logic, test locally, commit changes, push branch, open pull request, review code, merge into develop. Why? Keeps features isolated, avoids breaking main app, makes reviews easier. Bad practice. Cross-mark code directly on main. Cross-mark mix multiple features in one branch. Good practice. Check mark one feature per branch. Check mark always use pull requests. Commit strategy for Android projects. Commits should be small, clear, focused. Good commit messages. Add login screen UI. Fix null pointer crash in main activity. Improve recycle view performance. Bad commit messages. Update. Fix. Final code. Why? Helps debugging. Explains history. Shows professionalism. Pull requests in Android workflow. PRs are used to review code, run tests, check UI logic, check performance. PR should include check mark what was changed, check mark screenshots, UI changes, check mark linked task, Jira, Trello. Check mark testing steps. Why? Prevents bugs, improves code quality, shares knowledge, handling UI changes. Android apps involve layouts, themes, animations. Best practice. Keep UI changes in feature branches. Add screenshots to PR. Test on multiple screen sizes. Why? UI bugs are easy to miss. Visual proof helps reviewers. Handling Gradle and config files. Android projects use build, Gradle, settings, Gradle, Android manifest XML. Rules. Avoid committing local paths. Avoid committing debug configs. Do not commit API keys. Why? Prevents build failures. Keeps repo portable. Protects secrets. Hotfix workflow for Android apps. When production app crashes, create hotfix branch from main. Fix the bug. Test the fix. Create PR. Merge into main. Merge into develop. Release new version. Example: hotfix, payment crash. Why? Fast response. Controlled fix. Keeps branches synced. Release workflow for Android apps. Before Play Store release, create release branch. Freeze features. Run testing. Fix bugs. Update version code and version name. Tag release. Version 2.0.0. Merge into main. Why? Stable APK, AAB. Easy rollback. Clean version history. CI, CD in Android GIT workflow. Automation can. Build APK, AAB. Run unit tests. Run lint. Check formatting. Tools. GitHub Actions. Bitrise. Jenkins. GitLab CI. Why? Prevents broken builds. Saves time. Enforces quality. Managing multiple build variants. Android apps may have debug, release, staging, free, paid, dev, prod, workflow helps, separate configs, test safely, deploy correctly. Why? Avoids wrong builds, supports testing environments, security in Android GIT workflow, protect, API keys, signing keys, Firebase configs, use, git ignore, environment variables, GitHub secrets. Why? Prevents leaks, protects Play Store account, common Android GIT mistakes, committing APK files, committing keystore files, no, git ignore, huge commits, direct pushes to main. Why bad? Bloats repo, risks security, breaks builds, naming conventions, branches, feature, login MUI, feature, profile edit, release, version 1.5, hotfix, crash on launch, commits, add, fix, update, refactor, example, fix crash in login activity. Why? Easy to track, easy to audit, professional history, how GIT workflow helps Android teams scale. As app grows, more screens, more developers, more features, workflow helps. Check mark reduce conflicts. Check mark improve code quality. Check mark support faster releases. Check mark control complexity. Real life analogy. Android GIT workflow is like app factory assembly line. Feature branches equals parts. PRs equals quality checks. Release branch equals final inspection. Main branch equals shipped product. Without workflow, messy factory. With workflow, smooth production. In simple words, GIT workflow for Android apps means build features safely, fix bugs properly, release clean versions, track every change. Best strategy for Android developers. Use check mark feature branches, check mark pull requests, check mark release branches, check mark carbon monoiodide, CD builds, check mark protected main branch. Avoid cross mark direct main commits, cross mark no testing, cross mark no version tags. Android apps are used by real users. A good GIT workflow. Check mark protects your app. Check mark protects your users. Check mark supports teamwork. Check mark makes updates safer. Good workflow equals stable app equals happy users equals professional development